guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am just gonna do like a random cleaning up of the house. I need to deep clean the fridge and just kind of clean up a bunch of random stuff, like wipe down windows, just a bunch of stuff I've been putting off. So I figured if I filmed it, that would motivate me to actually do it. So, excuse my appearance. I woke up, brushed my teeth, and washed my face, and that's about as good as it's gonna get today because Stella and I have like little colds. I was up all night with a sore throat and just stuffy nose, and Stella has the same. So yeah, we kind of had a late start to our morning, and I saw that we didn't have any more coffee. So we had to go to the grocery store anyways today. To Albertsons like first thing in the morning, and there's a Starbucks on the inside, so I just got my coffee there and got some groceries. I'll show you what I got, and I'm just gonna film me cleaning up random things around the house that need to get done. So let's get started. I just got a venti iced coffee with half and half and 2 pumps of hazelnut. I get coconut milk in my coffee, but I just wanted to try something different, so I got half and half, and it's really good. And then Stella and I shared a lemon loaf when we were walking through the grocery store because we hadn't eaten yet, and that's not a healthy breakfast whatsoever, but just sounded good. So we split a lemon loaf, and I got my coffee, and I'm ready to get cleaning. So we just got the basics because we didn't need to do a full grocery shop. So I got milk for my husband. He drinks fat-free, ew. And Stella drinks 1%. Stella loves juice boxes, so I just got Capri Suns. I always get a different kind every time I go. I got these kettle cooked chips. We love this brand. My favorite flavor though is the honey mustard, but they don't sell it here. I always have to order them on Amazon because I go to that extent to get those chips because they're so good. I ran out of bread. I normally get like a 12 grain bread, but my husband eats like a PB&J every single day with white. So I got that. English muffins. Got some coffee creamer for me. Cereal. Bananas. I just got some grapes and some strawberries. Always just refill this container with the cereal we're eating. Alright, to clean the fridge, I'm just gonna use Mrs. Meyer's geranium concentrate mixed with warm water and some paper towels because I don't have Clorox wipes. That's what I would normally use, but I'm just gonna use this today. feel so much better that that is done. It looks so much better in there. now I'm just gonna do the dishes and wipe down all the surfaces in the kitchen, and then later on I'll mop. So let's go do that.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad...
Anybody Gilmore Girls fan, this is my favorite mug. If you watch the show, you'll know what this is.
Me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, it gets when I'm in a bad mood.
Stella Jade. Oh yeah, and random, but this is our sectional. We got it from Living Spaces like 2 to 3 years ago, I can't remember. We love it, it's super comfortable. We used to have this middle piece in our bedroom because the living room, we have like really limited space in this house. We're just renting, so we have really limited space, and that piece was in our room, but it was taking too much room up in our bedroom. And my parents are coming to visit in about a week, so I figured it was a good time to just put the couch back together because we're gonna need more seating out here. So it actually makes the living room so much more cozy. And then we used to have a console underneath our TV, but we gave it to my mother-in-law because it just took up too much space. We didn't really utilize it. So yeah, I just put this cube unit with all of Stella's toys and diapers, and then I hung up our little macrame thing above the TV, and then I printed 3 family photos and put them above. So I think I like it. It just looks a lot more homey in here. It was like really plain before. Hi. Oh, you're so, say I'm beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh, you're kind. I'm smart.
I'm nice.
You're nice. Yeah, you are. I'm beautiful.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, yes you are. Say, my name is Stella. Get that finger out of your mouth. Say, I'm Stella.
Super.
Yeah. Does anybody know what to do to like deep clean a couch? Like, what's the best way to clean it that you have found that's affordable? Because I desperately need to clean this couch, and the covers are not removable to throw in the wash, which sucks. But yeah, I don't know if I can rent something or just like call a company to come. Like, what do you think is best? Let me know down below because this couch needs it. All right, I'm like dying. I'm gonna take a little bit of a break and import some of this footage and put this girl down for a nap. You gonna go night-night?
Nancy.
You want Nancy? No, we gotta go night-night.
Nancy.
This should be fun. All right, I'm gonna try to get her down for her nap. Yeah, I know. You want a lot of things, huh? All right, it's looking highly unlikely that she's gonna sleep. I think I'm gonna organize a hall closet that we have that really needs some organizing. Hoping I can do that when she's napping. Fingers crossed. Alright, so this is our little hall closet, and I kind of just want to go through everything, go through all the medicines and throw away if there's anything expired, and just kind of organize it so it looks a little nicer. And there's like no room over here, so I have to get like weird angles. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that and mop the kitchen, and I think that's all I'm gonna do for today. Bag I got and just put all our sunscreens in it, so it's just easy to grab and go when we go to the pool or water park or anything like that. Alright guys, so my husband just got home from work and he brought us Chick-fil-A, so I just devoured that. But yeah, Stella and I are both getting sick. She was just napping and I had to bring the Cool Mist humidifier in here because she was coughing so bad. Poor thing. But yeah, we're both coming down with like a cold. I just like have that drainage and like sore throat. Ugh, it sucks. Was gonna mop, but I just don't have the energy anymore. I really want to get this video uploaded. I think I'll do that tomorrow if I feel better. But I'm happy with what I got done because those things desperately needed done, especially the fridge. So yeah, I did what I could today. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, my Instagram is down in the description. Please give me a follow. I would really appreciate it, and I would love to talk to you. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it so I know to do more like this, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time?